out here at the Boschert Greenway where the new smart slope wall is going to be installed, and it kind of feels and sounds like I'm risking life and limb to get out here and take a look at this. I don't think so, but I'm on a really nice bridge overpass over Highway 370 in St. Charles, and our smart slope wall is going to be right around down there. It's going to be holding up the trail. It's going to overlook this section of highway here. The contractor for our project here at Boschert Greenway is Ideal Landscape Group. They're actually the general contractor for the trail work, and they're also installing with their own crews our smart slope system holding up part of the trail. Ideal's here in St. Louis, Missouri, and I've worked with them for a long time. They're great people. Well, it looks like we've got a sea of smart slope. It's really not all that much material actually, but it's all delivered here to the top of this job site in a material storage area. You can see this is a pretty good sized project. I mean, it's close to 3,000 square feet of wall, and for that all we have is 18 of these small rolls, which each one's about 35 pounds, easily picked up by a man. Doesn't take up any room on the job site, unlike most reinforcement products that end up on a retaining wall job. I'm going to dig out for the base right here. See the markings where it all goes according to the staking. A lot of trench here. Nice step ups. Side by side.